So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial we're going to discuss how you can download the free 3D blender models, which are the particular blend files that you can import and add it on the Blender software. So in order to download the free blender models, you need to open a website called free 3D models. You can open that website on any devices that you have. For example, if I open the browser on my Windows PC, and here I need to search the free 3D model, you're gonna see when I search this. Now this is the first website which provides me the free 3D model. Just simply click there. When you click there, now this is the home page of this website, and from here you can select the type of 3D model you want to download, and the first one says blender models. Just simply click there. Now when you click there, all the models that are available here to download are of the blender file format only. It may be some other file formats as well, but they are obviously the blend versions also. So you can just simply select the version that you want to download. For example, if I want to download this donut, this particular one may be the paid one, but if I want to download the free versions, I can do that as well by just simply seeing that this one says free. If I want to download it, just simply click there, and from here I can download this and select this the blend obj file type. And once I click this, now you're gonna see the downloading has been started. So by this method you can easily download the free blender models. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.